All right, welcome back. Dominic Chu has today's ETF Edge. Dom, what are we talking about today?
All right, Judge, the 10 and 30-year bond yields are hitting intraday highs not seen since last month, due in large part to the back and forth on trade and tariffs. So joining me now is Roger Hallam, the global head of rates at Vanguard, to talk through all of this. Roger, maybe we'll start with this notion that Vanguard has always been known for its indexing products. You tie them to certain key levels and charts, but you guys are starting off a new actively managed bond ETF tied to treasuries. Why?
I think investors are increasingly focused on investing in the ETF wrapper, and Vanguard wants to expand our offering to those investors, and we believe we have a compelling active fixed income process which we can help partner with clients to enhance their returns. So we want to expand our ETF offering. The Vanguard Government Securities ETF will be our 8th active fixed income ETF. Our first focus on government securities. We think it will provide investors with the safety, liquidity that investors would expect from a government ETF, but Vanguard will be using their active capabilities to enhance returns for those investors.
And Roger, what will you be looking for as you actively manage this ETF?
So obviously, our investment process focuses on using a range of high information ratio alpha levers. So we focus on adding value through treasury relative value through our systematic trading strategies, but also importantly, we'll be dynamically allocating between treasuries and mortgages. We have a long and successful track record of doing that. You look at our active capabilities, 95% of our funds are outperforming peer group averages over the past 10 years, and we believe we can replicate that success within the Vanguard Government Securities ETF.
All right, Roger Hallam, Global Head of Rates at Vanguard, thank you very much for that. We are going to continue this conversation at etfedge.cnbc.com. Roger's going to be joined by Jay Jacobs, the U.S. Head of Equity ETFs at BlackRock. So, Scott, big online show, 1:15 p.m. Eastern. I'll send things back over to you.
Thanks, Dom. We'll be there. Appreciate that.